Hello, I'm going to go over this calculate area review, and we're going to be calculating the area of lunar craters. So we're looking at the moon and some of the different craters that we find there. And it talks about the different craters here on the moon and some of the different ways to categorize them. Over here is the area of a circle. So area equals pi r square. That should be review, right? And then I give some size comparisons. So once you find the area of these craters, I give some size comparisons so you can kind of like put that in relative terms. So area of San Francisco, what that is, all the way up to California, and then the whole continental United States. So that doesn't include Alaska and Hawaii. And you'll see that some of these rival or are close to some of these states and cities. So let's just take a look here. I have several different craters, and I have a picture for each one. We're going to calculate the area for each one of these. So as a reminder, area equals pi r square. I've given you the diameter. Now remember, diameter is the distance across, but I need the radius, which means I need half of the diameter. So let's set that up. 2,500 divided by 2, because that's half, right? 2,500 divided by 2 equals 1,250 kilometers. So that's the radius. Now I've got everything I need to know to find my area. So let's just write this in. And for pi, we're just going to use 3.14. That's fine. So area equals pi 3.14 times radius squared. So we'll just calculate this through now. So I'm going to take my, actually no, I'm going to do the square first. 2,500 times, 1,250 times 1,250 equals 1 million plus times 3.14 equals area of 4,906,250 kilometers squared. Don't forget the units. And we'll put that in up here. 4,906,250 kilometers squared. And as you see, this ancient crater on the moon is a little over half the size of the continental United States. That's massive, massive. Now let's do another one. Let's go to the next page. And on the next page, we'll look at this one at the top, number 4. And you can see these are all actual images of these particular craters. So again, we want to start with our formula here. I got to find the radius. So 740 divided by 2 equals, what's that? 740 divided by 2, 370. Now I'm all ready to go. So pi 3.14 times the radius squared, right? And that's going to equal my area. So when I calculate this all out, let's do the radius first. 370 times 370 equals times 3.14 equals 429,866. And we want to put our units kilometer squared. 429,866 km2. And that would be, if you look at our comparisons, that's roughly the size of the state of California. So again, this is a huge crater. This crater that we're looking at, even though it doesn't look like it, has the same area as the state of California. And you're going to do all the rest of these just like that. Find the radius, then calculate the area using our area formula. Let me know if you need any help.